I think there's a hail core.
Like you were safe.
What car is that from? I don't know. Wow, it got dark.
It's dark like a night sky. No, it's that gray cloud that's surrounding it.
We'll be fine, Derek.
That's nice of you.
I don't know if we're okay, but this is an anti-cyclonic storm. This might be.
It's a rare.
Oh, great. Now here comes the heavy part.
Oh, no, it's raining.
Our food's here.
Wow, Michael, that was fast.
Yeah, great. Everyone start pouring.
Are you just throwing me out in the rain, Mom?
Why would that happen?
You already said I'll throw you out in the rain. Whoever dies on Mario Bros. We have to run in the rain. Yeah, that's all I'm saying.
Look at the rain. It's pouring. It's wind. And that's a supercell. Look.
Mom, look outside. We need rain. We need rain here.
I'm stopped.
Okay, we're all gonna eat.
Mom's trying to say, hey guys.
Oh, here, Ryder. I got you a pair of shorts. Look.
Say,
Yay.
say big eyes when we shop.
Big shorts.
Say big
Shorts
eyes.
for you.
Say big eyes when we shop. Look outside, Bob.
Let's see. Shut up!
So here's the stop.
I didn't do anything to you.
Sky Rizzy.
No, it's Skibidi.
Skyrizzi is that drug.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Drug.
It's not a drug.
No, Skyrizzi is a drug.
Siobhan died.
No, Jemai, shut up!
Garrett, shut up.
Mom, is that pronounced that?
I already got you on recording.
Oh, is that why I just say, hey guys, can you be quiet? I'm recording right now.
Now I'm gonna catch you on social media.
Garrett, just say, guys, I'm trying to record.
I'm gonna throw you out in the rain, Garrett. Garrett, I'll throw you out in the rain.
Ryder, stop it.
How about I record you on social media?
Guys, be quiet.
It puts you down to the top.
All right,